Pre-assembled, this machine requires no assembly, so you can jump straight to your workout. Compact design, this space-saving machine, 25.2 L in x 18W in x 10.6 HN, can easily be stored while not in use. Use the built-in carry handle to easily lift and move this elliptical machine, 25.4 pounds. Versatile design, achieve a cardiovascular workout standing up or sitting down. We designed this machine to help you develop muscles in your lower body and improve blood circulation through consistent exercise. Whisper quiet, this portable elliptical machine uses a durable belt drive mechanism that keeps your stride smooth, quiet, and consistent in shared and compact spaces, including bedrooms and living rooms. Magnetic resistance, control your workout intensity with the easy-to-use resistance dial. Cycle through 8 levels of magnetic resistance, easy when you want it, and hard when you need it. Top reviews from the United States. Well put together and easy to assemble. I've been using this equipment for a couple of weeks now, and for someone who hasn't regularly exercised, it's doing the job I hoped for. I'm able to get my exercise in, and it's lightweight to put away, if needed. The one thing I would comment on is that if you lean to one side or the other, weight distribution can make it feel like it could lift a little bit, but that also is helping me to stand up straighter and have better posture while I'm stepping. I'm just mentioning that, in case someone is not good at balancing, to be aware.